Do you want to learn how to download a video on Hailuo AI MiniMax? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. Now, if you want to download any of these community generated videos, you can hover on any of them, and then the second icon is the download button. You can click on it and it's going to download it to your computer. Now, if you have generated one of your own using their own text to video or image to video generator, then inside mine folder, which is on the left, click on it and then click on any one of these, right click it and download it. Or on the right on bottom, you'll find this icon again. You can download this from here. You can also download it by hovering on it on all assets and clicking on download icon. And that's it. This is how to download a video from Hailuo AI. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.